When Hazrat Maulana Hakim Ahmad Akhtar Sahib Damat Barakatuh, my Shaykh, arrived in South Africa, he said that this whole business of suluk, tasawwuf, and what sohbat does to a person, he said, ye masla yahan aakar hal ho gaya. Because he said, when I was about to land at Jan Smith Airport, from the top I saw some golden color sand. We all know that near Johannesburg we've got the gold dumps there. So he said, I saw that. So I asked the people that, what is this? The whole area seems to be like gold. So they explained to him that the mine dumps beneath there, and all this is the sand from that mine dump, and it has changed the color of the sand to gold. So he said, if the company of gold can change the color of the sand to golden, then he said, this is the example that if you stay in the sohbat of the Ahlullah, you will not only change your color, wahan to sirf mitti ka rang badla, yahan tum khud sona ban jaoge. Yahan to mitti ki sohbat mein mitti ka rang badal gaya. But if you stay in the sohbat of the Ahlullah, you will become golden yourself. And we know that near Newcastle and other places where there are coal mines, then the color of the sand is black. So this sohbat of the Salihin, the sohbat of the Ahlullah, it is something which is lacking in our lives in these days. So these mashayikh who come here, we must take the maximum advantage of their visits, because whatever the Sahaba Kiram Ridwanullah Ali Majma'in attained, it was due to the sohbat of Rasulullah Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. All of them were not huffaz of the Quran Sharif. All of them were not mufassirs. All of them were not ulama. But each and every one was a sahabi. The tabi never became a tabi unless he had the company of a sahabi. And the tabi'in, they became that because they had the company of the tabi.